For the third step in my journey, understanding how what we eat shapes who we are, I returned closer to home. There I met with two women who are at the forefront of the debate around food processing and the fast food revolution, Joanna Blythman and Marit Kolby.
Both Joanna and Marit have spent several years examining the impact of ultra-processed foods on our lives.
We know that they lead to a worsening of the quality of people's diet, so they're less nutritious and we get less of those beneficial compounds from foods. And we also know that they lead to health problems. We ended up trying to solve our problems by limiting actually nutritious foods instead of making sure that we get what we need from our meals.
So all that old diet advice, like avoid fat or watch your calories, turns out it may not be the secret to good health. Real health, it seems, comes from nutrient-dense foods that truly nourish our bodies.